Watcher, I'm Bob the Skankerchief, and I'm here to have a word about the Specialised project. By putting on live events and releasing these rather nifty ska-themed compilation albums, the Specialised project have raised over 100,000 nicker. Yeah, handsome. Now, previously Specialised CDs have showcased amazing artists from all around the world who reinterpret classic numbers by artists such as Madness, The Clash and The Beat. You putting your hand in your pocket for these unique CD collections will help raise a load of bunts for important causes such as tonic music for mental health, Canteen, youth music, the Pivotal Homes Group, and of course, the Teenage Cancer Trust. Here. The word on the Orange Street is that there is a new Specialised project compilation coming out later this year. It's called Femme Fatale, and this time we've got the best international ska bands around today, paying tribute to the greatest female music stars of all time. I'm talking about Dusty Springfield, Dolly Parton and Amy Winehouse, and loads more legends. One particular lady, what is celebrated on this magnificent album, is the German singer-songwriter Nico. Nigel Planer and the Values salute this Teutonic legend with their very own rubber-dub reggae version of the Velvet Underground classic Femme Fatale, what she sang way back in 1966. World Cup Willie! Sorry. Get your bottle of beers around this tune. Wallop.
It's not hard to realise. Just look into her false-coloured eyes. She'll build you up just to put you down. What a clown, 'cause everybody knows she's a femme fatale. The things she does to please, she's a femme fatale. She's just a little tease. She's a femme fatale. See the way she walks, hear the way she talks.
You know what to do. Get specialised.